The in common key is probably the most unusual of the creative keys, and yet it can generate some very interesting ideas. It's mainly meant to just stretch your thinking, although there can be some neat uses for it when you're doing a written task. Here's how it works. You name two different things or concepts, and then you brainstorm some common points between them. This can be done with similar things, such as you and a friend, or really different things, such as a book and a chocolate. For example, if we worked out what a book and a chocolate have in common, we could include that they can both give you a lot of pleasure. Their cover or wrapping usually tells you what's inside. You need to open them up to get to the contents. And here's one way you could use this key. If you have to write a story about a topic such as disasters, think of something that isn't really associated with that topic. For example, your brain. And then start thinking of what disasters and your brain have in common. For example, they can both explode with lots of things. Your brain with ideas and a disaster with a major fire. Or they can both go around in circles, such as tornadoes in a spiral, and your brain when you're struggling to work something out. And once you have worked out these things they have in common, you could start your story by writing, a major disaster is a bit like a brain. They can both explode with lots of things, because, and so on, with the rest of your story. Here's one in common exercise for you right now. Work out what laptops and pizzas have in common.